Hey, let's start right here. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is fresh out from Ariel Sanders called AI ShortsMate. And they have a lot of great stats about a billion shorts being viewed every day or something like that. But what they show you that you're going to love is the demo video on this page. I'm down below that, but I'll just quickly describe that it's how they made $300 from one 30-second short video. So the software makes the shorts, it's everything. I'm just going to show you what's inside here. I like to start at the finish, $16.70 right now as I'm recording this. And then I'm going back to my site and going to the bottom. So that's the link. It'll take you to my site. At the bottom of it, $3 discount, $5 discount, 30% off discount. You get different codes there at the bottom of that post. You can mix and match to get a better deal. What I say, $16.70, $5 off. There you go. If you're quick on it, you grab the $5 discount, give you down to $11.70. And so what are you getting into? What is your $11.70 getting you? From Ariel Sanders, who's very well-known internet marketer, by the way. Here we go. Generating thousands of buyers. Creating goofy videos, that grabs your attention. Goofy, silly, funny, weird, all of that stuff. The last thing they want to see is guys like me talking heads. That's what they call that. So app automatically creates short videos for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. Do you think you can get some traffic? Yes. Monetization with their done for you high ticket offers. You can use it to promote regular kind of things, like this is a product that's $11. Same kind of thing, but this is being done on a regular video. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom. They've got some videos, bonuses that create logos and images and so on. And the whole 9 yards, like I said, $16.70, you click that button, boom, you can grab it. So the link in the video description will take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. Grab the coupon codes at the bottom. It'll save you 3, 5, 30% off. Use whichever ones work for you, whichever gives you the best deal. And go click the link and check this out. It's called AI ShortsMate from Ariel Sanders, fresh out this morning. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Click the link in the description and go check out AI ShortsMate review.